How to cancel a flight on Skyscanner, or how to cancel flights in Skyscanner. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can cancel flights in Skyscanner. Now, as you know, the 24-hour cancellation policy, you'll be able to cancel your reservation within 24 hours when it was booked without owing any cancellation fees. However, after 24 hours or within the 24 hours, if you cancel it, you'll have to pay the cancellation charges. Now, for changes, cancellation or refunds, Skyscanner recommends that you contact the travel provider that you completed your booking with. Now, as a travel search engine, Skyscanner doesn't take your booking or payment themselves. Instead, they pass you through to your chosen airline or travel agent where you make your booking directly, so they don't have access or visibility to any of your bookings information. Depending on the type of ticket you have booked, there may be different options for changes, cancellation and refunds, and the travel provider will be the place. So what you can do is you can head into the flight, you can contact the travel provider of your flight and you'll be able to cancel by contacting them directly. You won't be able to cancel it on the app itself. So what you can do is, after you open up the app here, you'll get an interface like this. You can head into the trip section and there you'll find your flight or scheduled rides there, your booked flights. Now here what you can do is you can simply tap on it and you can open it up, and there you'll be able to contact the direct provider of your flight. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.